Traditionally, AR-15 rifles run best when liberally doused with lubricant. Unfortunately, gun oil attracts dust and powder residue, so after a few magazines to bolt, the carrier and the receiver get quite dirty and require time-consuming cleaning. Anderson Manufacturing solved this problem with RF85 finish, which allows running the rifle dry. RF85 coated parts can be cleaned up just by dunking in soapy water. Low friction metal treatment keeps the receiver and bolt carrier group clean and slick over the longer periods of time and higher round count. That is especially important when AR-15 is used as a support weapon, like this rifle with 150 round Armatech drum. While belt-fed weapons with quick change barrels are better for high volume cover fire, AR-15 with a heavy barrel and 150 round drum is lighter and more portable than a saw, better protected from dust and substantially more accurate.